Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Sharma and once again welcome to our trusted channel Hydraulic and Pneumatic Products. At HPP Group we stand for quality, performance and reliability. With years of expertise in hydraulic engineering, we manufacture a wide range of premium products including air-cooled oil cooler, water-cooled oil cooler, hydraulic power packs, hydraulic wound gear screw jack, hydraulic rotary union, hydraulic cylinders, pneumatic cylinders and many more products. In this video, we are focusing on one of the most essential and high-demand products, the HPP Hydraulic Power Pack. Hydraulic Power Pack is a compact, self-contained system that converts primary energy into hydraulic energy, enabling machines to operate efficiently under high pressure and speed. These units are widely used across industries such as construction, railway, petroleum, shipbuilding, automation, oil servicing, and various types of heavy machinery. Hydraulic power packs installed in a wide range of applications: shredder and crusher, CNC machines, hydraulic press machines, injection molding machines, paper mill machines, agriculture equipment delivering the high force, reliable motion these systems require. Designed using advanced hydraulic technology, our power packs ensure high pressure, smooth operation, low energy consumption and long-lasting performance. We offer standard power packs for general industrial use and mini power packs for compact and mobile applications. DC power packs for vehicles and battery-operated tools, and fully custom-built units tailored to specific operational requirements. HPP Group manufactures units ranging 0.5 HP to 425 HP, and we have delivered numerous customized solutions integrated with hydro testers. Functionally, a hydraulic power pack pumps pressurized oil to a cylinder, moving the piston to extend or retract the rod. A control valve directs the flow and return oil cycles back to the tank. Compact, efficient and durable, each unit is attentive tested because at HPP we deliver performance you can trust. We offer 1-year warranty on our HPP hydraulic power packs and do supporting installation and maintenance. Our after-sales service is always available with customer 24/7. That's why our hydraulic power packs are highly recommended in the market. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share to our channel for more updates and expert insights.